Jökulsárlón is one of Iceland's natural crown jewels, and the nearby Black Beach has coined the name Diamond Beach, as the ice chunks lying on it resemble diamonds glistening. The lagoon connects with the ocean and is a mix of seawater and freshwater. This is why the color is so unique. Icebergs in Jökulsárlón are composed of ice, over 1,000 years old. Seals can be seen in Jökulsárlón, but they flock to the lagoon only to catch fish in the winter. The lagoon formed naturally from melted glacial water and continues to grow as ice blocks crumble from the ever-shrinking glacier. This makes the lagoon and the nearby glacier tongue even more unique, as they will look different each time you will visit them.